Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. And in this video, I'll be showing you how to import and export with Excel on monday.com. So let's start. First, open your monday.com account. And here, click on your avatar at the lower left corner of the page. And in this window, select Import Data. Here, you can import content from several other tools such as Trello, Asana, and Facebook. But in this video, select Excel. In this window, you can either drag and drop the Excel file, or you can select the file by clicking here. After that, you can now customize your new board. First, you should designate the role in your spreadsheet with your column names. Next, select a column in your spreadsheet that will be the first column in your board. That will be the title of each row. Lastly, customize your columns. Here, you can select the functionality of each column. The system will automatically detect columns type based on the data, but you can change them by clicking this drop-down button. Once done, you can now create your board by clicking this button. You can see that I have successfully imported the Access file from monday.com. And now, if you want to export a group of items from monday.com, click this three dots icon to open the group menu. And in this window, click on this Export to Excel option. To export an entire board, open the board menu and click on More Actions and click this Export Board to Excel. Here, you can select to include updates and send a copy to your email. Then, click on this Export button. After that, the data will be exported and will be an Excel file. So that's it. If you wanted to know how to import and export with Excel on monday.com, that is the easiest way I know how. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, kindly give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much and see you on our next video.